Delightfuls. Love, unity, and happiness. When you read, you soar. When you soar, you explore. You can be, you can create, motivate, even initiate. Allow your eyes to see so that your brain can perceive all those wonderful things you read. Now come on and go with me at Delightful's Read-Along. Green light means go.
Hi everybody, and welcome to Delightful's Read-Along. Today's book, Pop-Up Peekaboo, I Love You by Claire Lloyd. Smiley Sheep wakes up in the morning. What should she do today? Let's open the flowery curtain. Is there a surprise coming her way? Let's see what's behind the curtain. Peekaboo, it's some red and pink balloons. Can you guess who sent them? Smiley Sheep has found a present tied up with a bright pink bow. It's a gift that's just for her. What's inside? Do you know? Well, let's lift the flap and take a look. Peekaboo, it's a bunch of flowers. There's another pretty present. Can you guess what's in the box? Is it a tasty treat, a cuddly toy, or a pair of fluffy socks? Let's see what's inside the box. Peekaboo, it's some yummy chocolate. Who's left a card for Smiley Sheep? What an exciting day. Let's open it up and look inside. I wonder what it will say. Let's look inside the envelope. Peekaboo, it's a card from her special friend. Look at all these surprises. Are you ready for just one more? What do you think it could be? Let's look behind the big pink door. Who's behind the door? Peekaboo, I love you, says Cuddly Sheep. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you very soon, right here, same channel at Delightful's Read-Along. Bye.